got a thunderbird, my daddy had one too. I'll do this dance with you. You know I'm not that girl, you know I'll never be. Maybe just the way we're different could set me free. And we were screaming Black Lives Matter in a crowd of never. Oh yeah. Okay, let's with my father. He could see me in the distance, and it went from here. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinificent back here with you with guitar interpretations. And today we are doing the song Textbook by Lana Del Rey. Alright, so I'm just gonna restart the song right here so I can give you the chords starting right from the beginning. And I'm gonna try to keep this as simple as possible because it's already a pretty complicated set of progressions, but the chords are simple, okay? So keep on fret number 3 and we're playing the following chords. So the intro or verse starts like this. We have, this is a B minor, and then this is an A major, and then we go to E minor, and then we're back on B minor, okay? And the way we're playing that is, instead of playing the B minor, you can use the open version, which is a B minor 7. It's open, 2, open, 2, 3, open. If you're a beginner or intermediate, you can use this one instead of the bar chord, right? But if you want, you can use the bar chord. You're barring the 2nd fret, so that becomes X, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. Alright, and then we go to A, which is open, open, 2, 2, 2, open. And then E minor, which is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And then we're back on, okay, the first time and the second time it's different. So let me make sure I'm giving you the right chords. Okay, so first we have the B minor to A, that's the, I guess you could call it textbook. And then we go to E minor, and then we're back on B minor, right? That's the first time. The second time we have B minor to A, and then E minor, and then this time we have an F sharp. And F sharp is, let me pause the song. F sharp is, instead of playing F on frets 1 to 3, you're playing F on frets 2 to 4, right? You're barring the 2nd fret and holding an E major in front of that. So that becomes 2, 4, 4, 3, 4, 4. Right. And then let's go on with the song. We start over. Hold on a second. Let me just scroll back to confirm I'm giving you guys the right chord. The issue of her. We have D. A major to E minor, right? That's the, and then there was the issue of her, that's D. D is open, 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 2, 3, 2. And then there was the issue of her, A major, we're back on E minor, right? Let's play along. What? Okay, let's just restart that. I don't know if this is the pre-chorus or what, but it's right after the verse, okay? So we have B minor first, and then there was the issue of her, and then we go to D. A major, off to E minor. And then again B minor 7, shining stars, and then we go to D. And then we have A major, and then we play E minor, right? And then we get into that fast last part, which goes. Right, we have G, which is 3-2 open open 3-3, and then we go to D, and then we have A major, and then A minor. That's the progression for that part, and it goes the same. It just slows down, and then we go. And we were swinging girls like manner. So you do that twice, and then we come back to I scream for them, and you're playing the same chords. Alright, I scream for them. I scream for them. Okay, so I'm sure the advanced player would want to play those plucks. So we have 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. I scream for them. And then we go to D, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then for A, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then we have 5, 4, 3, 2 again for the B minor, right? Which we played as B minor 7. Okay, and yeah, that's it for the end of the chorus. I think that's what we can call it. And then we're back into the verse 1, where we go B minor to A, and then we go to E minor and back to B minor the first time, and then the second time instead of B minor we're gonna play F sharp, right? So and then we go into it, and then there was a okay, the words are different from the second part, but the chords are still the same. Let me just recap, y'all. So we have B minor, D major, and then we go to A major, and then we have E minor. And then we get into the fast part from G, D, A. Okay, my strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And then up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And that's it. We get into that last part of the chorus where you're basically plucking every string. And let me just scroll to see if we have a progression change. Nope. Okay, so that's the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.